Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Let's look into the start and the stop codons. So what is a start codon? The start codon is also known as the A, U and G. So this stands for nothing but the methionine. So methionine is nothing but the start codon. Now let's look at what is a stop codon. So what is stop codon? The stop codon, it involves the UGA. Next is the selenocysteine. So UGA stands for selenocysteine. So what is this amino acid? This is nothing but the amino acid number 21. Then comes the UAG. The UAG here, it stands for the pyrrolysine. So pyrrolysine is nothing but the 22nd amino acid, and then comes the UAA. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.